All right, welcome back to the channel. So today we are swapping out this headlight on the tracker. So picked up a better one at the junkyard. If you look at it, it's actually nice and clear. This is after I've done the project. The old one is got some chips in it and kind of cloudy on the inside. So that's what we're doing today. We're swapping out a headlight. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the grill off. One of these days I'll replace the grill because that's all it's holding it on. Right now anyway. So that kind of up out of the way. Next thing, unplug the headlight here. Got that done. Screwdriver. Gotta unplug the marker light too. I'm not actually gonna unplug it, I'm just gonna take the bulb out. Great, that one didn't hit the ground. All right, let's let out. Unscrew. By the way, if you don't have the correct retainer ring for your headlight, zip ties. One of the other things we got to do while we're doing this is my new junkyard headlight. It's got the amber side lens, and mine does not have the amber side lens, so I need to switch this lens, or this light, over to that one. Zip, zing, zoom, just like that. On the side. Amber lens off. Clear lens on. That's that. We're going to switch our headlight over. I don't know what kind of light this is. Okay, I do know what kind of light this is. It's a broken one. And put that one in here because that one is a really good one. I bought the expensive shiny ones. Yeah, like the blue, whatever ones. They made quite the difference. Being able to see. We're gonna put just put a little bit of smidge of grease on this O-ring so it slides in there nice. Just like that. Now I got actually a retainer ring. I've had one of those for a while. like that. Ready to screw it back on. Nice light. No chips in it. It's a lot cleaner on the inside. Light's in, let's plug it in. Headlight's plugged in. Blinkers reinstalled. Stick a grill on it. One of these days, I'm gonna get a new grill for this thing. That day is not today. There it is. Make sure the headlight works. It's shining. That's all there is to it. So, new headlight and tracker. Thanks for watching.